the new Metro shoes, guys.
All of us.
You can take all spread for you, except for the ladies.
We're not
Obviously.
going to see the soles of the shoes, not the shoes.
Yeah.
Jagman?
जगमग जूते जजमान के.
जगमग जूते जजमान के.
जगमग जूते या जगमग जजमान. Right. Not in Tamil.
Not in Tamil, I promise. Not in Tamil. Les chaussettes de l'archiduchesse sont chaises et archi-sèches.
Huh?
Just 3 times. Just say it 3 times. Les chaussettes de l'archiduchesse
Les chaussettes de l'archiduchesse
sont sèches
sont chaises
et archi-sèches.
et archi-sèches.
Not
Metro is an Indian brand because nowadays we have so many malls. We are in Palladium. There's so many malls, so many international brands are down here. So everyone has money, they'll go and shop at an international brand or whatever. But I'm very proud to say that Metro is an Indian brand. And these shoes, I think they can compete with any global brand nowadays. Even Kalki's shoes, I was quite impressed when I saw. I asked her also.
He wanted to wear my shoes.
I wanted to wear them. I didn't fit into them. But
मुझे कांटे लगे हैं. मुझे कांटे
इसके भी बहुत अच्छे हैं.
To see just different individualities in this kind of a profession and believing in what kind of roles like Varun and Kalki are choosing and the kind of roads that we've chosen. I think it's a race, man, because it's very competitive out there. And to follow your passion, sometimes they're not the most logical decisions. They're not commercially viable. They're not financially viable. But at the end of the day, when you're doing something, you want to be happy about it more than anything else. And that is a race to actually follow what you believe in.
If anything, it's a race against yourself. All your weaknesses and your challenges in life, overcoming those, being a better person.
One other thing which I think we all Mumbaikars go through is the traffic is really bad. And there are these certain gaps in the day where if you travel during this time, then you won't get the traffic. So that's the race for me. Every day leave at this time so I don't get traffic reaching the studio or going anywhere. पहला जूता तो मैं बहुत छोटा होगा I think. But I remember वो जूते होते थे ना लाइट्स के साथ. मतलब आप चलते थे वो लाइट आता था नीचे. वो ऐसा जूता था मेरे पास एक. और एक दूसरा वाला होता था बचपन में जो वो रोलर ब्लेड्स लगे हुए थे. There are shoes also, but you can skate also.
तेरा बचपन मेरा बचपन बहुत अलग है.
पर मैं एक थे ऐसे भी जूते थे मेरे पास.
तुम्हारे जूतों में क्या हुआ करता था? Just out of curiosity.
Soul. Soul था. Favorite character is a tough one, but at least 75 times.
Over 75-100 times
I've
easily.
seen it twice.
And which is your favorite character, each of yours?
Mine is Gabbar.
Surma Bhopali. No, I love all of them. In our house, we can say dialogues of the whole film. That one and Andaz Apna Apna. Just say dialogues of, everything.
I love Basanti as well. I think one day I hope to be able to dance like Basanti. But
on glass, you mean?
No, but as beautifully as she dances. No.